Hello guys, introducing today how to create the most lucrative single product page using the Shop Builder. First, for this we need to install the plugins. Add new, search Shop Builder and get Shop Builder WooCommerce Page Builder for Elementor powered by Radius theme. Now click install to activate this. With Elementor and WooCommerce also. Now go to the template builder and click add new. Hence we are creating today the single product page. So set your template settings according to your project. I am providing product details page design as name and my type is product page here. Enable set as active template. You'll get 5 pre-designed product layout with a blank template. I chose the blank one to show from scratch. Now save and click edit with Elementor. It will take you to the Elementor dashboard. This shows multiple layouts designed and I select for 2 columns layout. Drag the product image into the first column and the drag product title into the second column. Then drag product price and drop it under product title. Drag product image just below it and drop that. Then short description and the product add to cart add-on. Now drag the product tabs add-on and then customize all the add-ons what we have dragged over there. First, select title heading tag. Now style title typography with the font family and weight. Now title color. Select one and copy it. Next customization is for price. Customize the price color as your title color. Paste the color code here. Now customize the star icon. There are link color, link hover color with the link typography. Set your link color. And the star icon. Customize the star icon color with the default mode. Let's move for short description. Here we can customize the typography for font family and customize the quantity of your product and the style of it like style 1. According to style 1, for button customization, set the typography here. There are several styles for add to cart customization. Choose yourself what suits you. For further customization, drag product tabs into the description box. Edit now section for layout. Then turn to content for general customization. There are layout, description with additional information and reviews. Now style. In the navy style, you can customize the typography according your taste. Then tap content. Here you can show title by turning it on. I would like to customize menu color in navy style first. You can also customize review style for meta color. Next is star icon. You can set your star icon color, icon size, etc. under the reviews. Next, drag the upsell product default add-on into this box. After dropping, you will get general settings for showing section title. Type your title in the section title text. You can show or hide active slider, flash sale, show product wish list, product comparison, rating, etc. if you want. Then edit the heading of sale product default. Typography, for resize your heading color. Then product title, for further customization, you can change typography, font family, size, weight, and color. Then edit product price in the same way. Similarly, customize the flash sale with typographic color, background color, badge width. Edit now, add to cart button for upsell product default. You can customize again typography, color and background color, border type and border radius padding, etc. Last is wish list, compare and quick view. Customize its width, height, item gap color, background color, and etc. For advanced settings, there are layout with margin, padding, width, position, and many more. Now drag and drop related product default for next. Customize the general setting of related product default. Customize the heading style for editing related product default. Fix heading size, line height, and then color. Now image. Click yes for auto image fit. Then product title to custom typography, its color and its padding. For product price, customize the typography color, regular, price color, and padding. Flash sale, you can customize its given setting options like color, background color, badge width, badge height, border radius, etc. Star icon for default color, star icon color, size, and rating margin customization. Add to cart button. There has similar customization. Next is wishlist, compare, and quick view. You will get chance to customize its width, height, item gap, color, background color, border type, and radius. Once you have finished customizing everything, click update to save. And this is the way how you can create the most lucrative single product page by using ShopBuilder WooCommerce page. Thanks for watching.